All right, we got guys on site today cutting up the concrete for our plumbing, the drains and sewer pipes and such. I'm gonna try not to cry when I see what they're doing to our beautiful floor, but here we go. Okay, so why does it look wet?
Because it's using water.
Okay, but I was expecting to see big chunks of concrete out and then mud holes.
First he cuts it,
Okay.
and then you got in there with the jackhammer. I don't know if that's this guy or not. He's just the cutter. Somebody
Okay,
else
so he cuts it, then they remove the concrete. I was expecting to see like gaping holes.
No.
Okay. This is our nice slab of concrete that we were so excited about, but some of it's got to be dug up to put in our plumbing lines. So, sadness, but that's okay. And our plumber had a guy come in and cut it the other day. And because we've got a little bit of equipment on site, the plumber said we could save ourselves a bit of money if we wanted to remove the concrete and dig down a couple feet for him to put in the sewer lines and stuff. So